Is running applications in the cloud less expensive than our own data center? Does the cloud help us free up resources that we can use for other things? It's so easy to let expenses get out of control that an entire industry has popped up to help companies get their cloud costs under control. Hey, I'm Mike, and this video is for IT managers that are looking to move as much of their data center resources as possible into the cloud, but are concerned about security, data integrity, and of course, costs. We keep hearing that the best way to run data center applications is to put them in the cloud. Is that really the best solution in all cases? Cloud companies claim it's the best way. Is it really secure? Are there hidden costs? There are a lot of questions, and many times these questions just bring us to more questions. Just one example is the banking industry. According to Forbes, they're moving applications into the cloud, but at a slower rate than other industries. 83% have at least some applications in the cloud, with more under consideration. Their greatest fear is, of course, security. How do they know if they can keep customer accounts secure when they are running their applications on somebody else's computer? That's what the cloud is. It's somebody else's computer. Then they're concerned about cost. As we talked about on previous videos, once an application is in the cloud, it may be easy to forget about. A team starts a project and moves on, but leaves the resource running in the cloud. Or they over-provision the cloud and don't properly monitor it. Frank Wasson, CEO of First Entertainment Credit Union, says that it's a myth that the cloud is cheaper than your own data center. You want to get the best value for your IT dollars, and cloud may or may not be the best for your situation. Cloud's all the rage right now, and maybe it makes sense in a lot of cases. The best way to think about it is in terms of contribution, not cost. We need to determine what kind of contribution we as an IT department can make to the bottom line of the company we work for. How can we use our resources to implement applications that will bring more productivity to our workforce and drive revenue to the company bottom line? That's how a company stays in business and helps us advance in our careers. When we think in these terms, we make better decisions about resource allocation. From there, we can determine if putting everything in the cloud really makes sense. Thank you for listening. I hope this information helps you as you contemplate, develop, and submit your next IT budget. Be sure to take a look at the other videos I have on the subject. By the way, we provide discounted data center hardware and hardware support so you can put more money into projects that generate revenue for your company. We have both at up to 80% off list price.